Good day, my name is Madelene S. Tatoy, and these are the 30 laws. First is Republic Act 9211, Tobacco Regulation Act of 2003, an act regulating the packaging, use, sale, distribution, and advertisement of any tobacco products and for other purposes. Republic Act 6675, Generic Act of 1988, an act to promote, required, ensure the adequate supply, use, sale, distribution, and acceptance of drugs and medicine identified by their generic names. Republic Act 349 legalized the use of human organs for surgical, medical, and scientific purposes. An act legalized permission to use human organs or any portions of human body for surgical, medical, and scientific purposes under certain conditions. Republic Act 1082, RHU Act, an act strengthening the health and dental services in rural areas and providing funds. Republic Act 5921, Pharmacy Act, an act regulating the practice of pharmacy and pharmaceutical education. Republic Act 5921, Pharmacy Act, an act regulating the practice of pharmacy and setting standards of pharmaceutical education in the Philippines and for other purposes. Republic Act 5901, 40 hours work of labor for hospital workers, an act prescribing 40 hours a week of labor for government and private hospitals or clinic personnel. Republic Act 6111, Medicare Act, an act establishing the Medicare plan and creating the Philippine Medicare Commission, prescribing its duties, power, and functions, and appropriating funds therefore. Republic Act 3573, Law on Reporting Communicable Diseases, an act providing the prevention and suppression of dangerous communicable diseases and for other purposes. Republic Act 8976, Philippine Food Purification Act of 2000, an act establishing the Philippine Food Purification Program and for other purposes. Republic Act 7600, the Rooming In and Breastfeeding Act of 1992, an act providing incentives in government and private health institutions with rooming in and breastfeeding practice and for other purposes. Republic Act 2644, Midwifery Act, an act regulating midwifery training and practice. Republic Act 4073, liberalized treatment of leprosy, an act further liberalized the treatment of Leprosy, Republic Act 8203, Special Law on Counterfeit Drugs, an act prohibiting counterfeit drugs, providing penalties for violations and for other purposes, Republic Act 9288, Newborn Screening Act of 2004, an act requiring a comprehensive policy and national system for ensuring newborn screening, Republic Act 47. Okay, I'm sorry. Republic Act 8746, Philippine Clean Air Act of 1999, an act regulating a comprehensive air pollution control policy and for other purposes, Republic Act 7392, midwifery law, an act, no person shall practice or to offer practice of midwifery in the Philippines without holding a valid certificate of registration and a professional license as midwife. Republic Act 1136, that's an act recognizing the division of tuberculosis in the Department of Health. Republic Act 4226, the Hospital Licensure Act, an act it is an act of recognizing the licensure an act requiring the licensure of all hospital in the Philippines and authorizing the Bureau of Medical Services to serve as the licensing agency. Republic Act 4419, Philippine Dentistry Act of 1965, an act regulating the practice of dentistry in the Philippines and for other purposes. Republic Act 7170, that's 7170 is Organ Donation Act of 1991, an act authorizing the legacy of or donation of all parts of the body after death and specify, again, I'm going to repeat. Republic Act 7170, Organ Donation Act of 1991, an act recognizing the legacy or donation of all parts of the body after death and for specified purpose. Republic Act 7164, Philippine Nursing Act of 1991, an act regulating the practice of nursing in the Philippines. Republic Act 8746, I mean 6511, an act to standardize the examination and registration fees charged by the examining National Examining Board, and for other purposes. I'm going to repeat it again. Republic Act 6511, an act to standardize the examination and registration fees charged by the National Examining Committees. Examining National Examining Boards, and for other purposes. Republic Act 6136, Injection Law, allows nurses to perform IMs without supervision from doctors. Republic Act 8172, Asin Law, requires the addition of iodine in all salt intended for human consumption to eliminate micronutrients malnutrition. Republic Act 7194, Republic Act 7394, the Consumer Act of the Philippines, to safeguard the buyer's welfare. Republic Act 7719, the National Blood Service Act of 1994, to requires all blood requires all blood collection units and blood banks or centers to operate in a non-profit basis. Okay, I'm going to repeat that 7719, or the National Blood Service Act of 1994, to require all blood blood okay blood collection unit or blood banks or centers to operate in a non-profit basis. Republic Act 6972. 6972 is that's for barangay level total development and protection for children act. Republic Act 7581. 7581 is the Price Act, regulating prices for commodities especially during calamities. Republic Act 7610. 7610 is an act known as special protection for children against abuse, exploitation, and discrimination. Republic Act, that's 6725. 6725 is an act strengthening the prohibition and or provision or discrimination against women in terms with respect in terms in condition of employment. I'm going to repeat ang Republic Act 6725. It talks about an act strengthening the protection. Okay, I'm sorry. I'm going to repeat it again. Okay, for the last time. An act strengthening the provision or discrimination against women with respect in terms and condition of employment. And that's all for today. Thank you.